Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the apartments that are under construction in the New Kingston area. We are on Trafalgar Road now at the intersection with Holborn Road, and straight ahead you can see where you see that blue symbol on the building. That's the atrium, which is the head office for the NCB group. That building that just came into view, that's the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica building, PCJ. So the New Kingston is like the business district for Jamaica, like the Jamaican version of Wall Street. So you find that the office space for rent in New Kingston is very expensive. Probably the most expensive corporate office space, commercial office space in Jamaica. So the areas around New Kingston now, you find that a lot of people want to work as close, to live as close to New Kingston as possible. So you find a lot of high-rise buildings are going up, a lot of apartments. So we're going to take a look at the residential part of New Kingston. And because it's so close to New Kingston, it's very expensive real estate. Okay, on the left is the British High Commission, on the right is the Spanish Court Hotel. We just passed Braemar Avenue, and we're going to turn left on Musgrave here at the stoplight. And between Musgrave and Braemar is where we have a lot of the larger apartment complexes going up. On the right, that's the UCC Group office. That's the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. On the left is the Guardian Group. That's their office. Alright, so now we're going to take a tour of the apartments under construction. Now straight ahead on the right, where you see that green building, or the part of it is green, or maybe it's blue, that's the Cambridge, and that's the largest apartment building in Jamaica. It's under construction still, and they're building one-bedroom apartments over there. I think they're building studios as well. It's a very large complex. It's going to have all the modern amenities. And then there is a second building behind it. So it's two buildings that make up the Cambridge. Okay, over here now on Comlink Bank Road. This is another apartment building. This one is finished. It's the same people that are building the Cambridge. This was the first one they built. It's called the Hampshire. And now this area, New Kingston, has a lot of construction going on, and it's mostly apartment buildings. Okay, straight ahead on the right, that's the Argyll. That's another complex. That one is finished. Now on the left is the Via Braemar. Very nice building. It's still under construction. Again, it's apartments. There you can see a taxi just stopped in the road, parked. No big deal. Happens every day in Jamaica. Literally blocking up the road. And on the when we make the corner on the right, it's another apartment complex that's, well, this one is, the construction is just starting, where you see the zinc fence. straight ahead is another complex, but that one is finished. Now straight ahead is another view of the Cambridge. Okay, and then straight ahead on the right is another complex that's under construction. We're just gonna drive in here and see what's going on. Okay, this one looks like it's not finished, but almost. Alright, so this is as you can see, a lot of apartment buildings are going up in the New Kingston area. Okay, you can get a nice view of the Cambridge now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the construction in New Kingston, or the apartments in New Kingston. Remember to leave your comments in the section below and to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.